You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious word, this abbreviation. This is of course short for were not. The conjugation of the word, the verb to be. If you want to learn more abbreviations, stay tuned. This is pronounced in British English in the UK as weren't. So don't worry too much about the R in the middle, especially in British English. Just you could spell it W-E-N-T, weren't, weren't. Now the Americans do pronounce the R and they say weren't, weren't. But don't worry about the fact that there are two E's in the pronunciation. There's only one E, only one sound. Weren't, weren't. It weren't, or they weren't that bad. Weren't, they weren't bad. Weren't is the English pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.